hip thrust. Find an elevated surface that's around knee height. This can be a bench, or you can use any machine with an adjustable seat to get to your perfect height. Place your upper back on the edge of the bench or seat, somewhere on the lower portion of your shoulder blades. Position the barbell so it lays directly on your hip crease, and then grab the bar. Drive up through your heels, feeling the glutes working. At the top position, your knees should form a 90-degree angle to your foot and the ground. Hold the position for a second, then go down. You should rotate around the edge of the seat with your torso staying straight, not by extending your lower back. Go down until you feel a stretch in your glutes. Then push the bar back up, squeezing the glutes at the top. As you can see in the video, there is little to no movement at the spine during the exercise. You're only rotating your upper back around the bench and flexing at the hip. Common mistake: bending through the spine. This is what improper hip thrust execution looks like. By doing the exercise like this, you're putting yourself at risk of a low back injury and making the glutes work much less. Try keeping your ribs down throughout the whole exercise. They shouldn't flare up at all. Common mistake: feet too close. This will require the quads to do a lot of the work during the exercise. Your knees shouldn't be pointing forward while doing the hip thrust. Instead, they should form a 90-degree angle at the top of the movement. Common mistake: feet too far. This isn't a strong position to be in, which will take away a lot of the focus from the glutes. Make sure your knees are at a proper angle during the lift.